Hello everybody. Today we are going to display the digital terrain model with the global mapper. We are going to see the different options that we can find online, and we are going to evaluate the quality of the digital terrain model in doing the contour line and comparing the contour line with the reality. Let's open Global Mapper and let's navigate to your location either with an orthophoto or with a shapefile. In this case, we are going to take an orthophoto of my village in Switzerland. Now we can navigate to the online data. Under terrain data, we can see what kind of digital terrain model we could use. By default, we have after GDM, SRTM 1 arc second and SRTM 3 arc second resolution. Which one is the best? Let's download the 3 digital terrain model and let's display them on the screen. Of course, for this task, you need an internet connection. At this point, we can drag the imagery over the digital terrain model. We display only the imagery and one digital terrain model. We click on the 3D button, and now we can judge the quality of the digital terrain model. Let's try to understand how real looks this imagery and this model. Of course, you need to know the situation on the field. You try to look on a well-known area and see if the 3D model corresponds to the reality. In this case, I can identify some depression which are not real, and in this case I would say the digital terrain model used is not of good quality. I do the same exercise with the other digital terrain model, and I choose that one that looks more real. Keep in mind that the digital terrain model that you can find online are usually of bad quality. Nevertheless, they help you to get an idea of the situation. One additional way to check the quality of the digital terrain model is by creating the contour line. You display only the digital terrain model that you want to consider. You go to Analyze, Generate Contours. Here you put the name of the layer that you want to create. Under contour interval, you put the meters of equidistance you want to consider. If you want to limit your analysis, you can go to contour bounds and check all data visible on the screen, and you type OK. Now you can do the contour line for the other digital terrain model. Finally, you confront all the contour lines and you decide which one corresponds more to the reality. Definitely, the knowledge of the ground is mandatory in order to be able to judge the contour line.